Hello, my name is Arno Hagemann and I'm Business Development Manager for Photoelectric Sensors at Pepperl+Fuchs. Today I will show you how to parameterize the R2000 detection easily and conveniently. The R2000 detection laser scanner features a stable, wobble-free scanning axis, a high angular resolution and 4 user-configurable detection fields. With that, the R2000 detection is suitable for tasks that include the detection of small objects, such as in collision avoidance applications. To demonstrate the easy setup, this test environment will show you how to interact the R2000 and the DTM configuration software. The R2000 provides an Ethernet interface for setup and configuration with software. The R2000 menu options will assist you with setting and determining the applicable Ethernet parameter. Using the push buttons on the front side of the scanner, you can access the Ethernet parameters, also configure the PC Ethernet interface accordingly. After that, connect the R2000 to the computer. Start the R2000 Ethernet driver and then the OBD device driver. To activate the device, locate the OBD device driver in the project window and double-click. Click the Connect button. The connection is active as soon as the sensor information appears. Now we start the Live View function to align the sensor with the shelf, and we adjust our display to have a better view. The easiest way to align the sensor is by using reflective tape, which can be applied to the shelf. The R2000 transmits the return signal strength from the reflective tape to the DTM. This procedure makes alignment easier and more precise. Now please select the buttons Show Reflector Echoes and Show Echo Amplitude in the Live View function. By this, the signal level will be color-coded. The retroreflective tape appears red. Now you can parameterize the R2000. Start by setting the rotational speed. Set at 10 Hz to detect extremely small objects. Set at 30 Hz to detect larger objects at high speed. Next, select the display mode. Here I recommend selecting the ring's IQ status mode. In this mode, the status of the 4 inputs or outputs are displayed as rings on the R2000 LED display. With this setting, the output mode is visible from any direction. You can also access and change this function by using the push button menu. Now, let's create the detection fields. You can see the current field settings in the overview section. Switch to the outline editor to create your fields. The Move button enables you to easily move around the viewing window. The Add button allows you to add new points to the field. Define the corner points to create the field. Use the scan line as orientation. You can additionally put an object at a place where you want to set a corner point. When you are finished creating your fields, press the Escape button or select another field editing tool. You can easily modify a single point or a group of points using the Change button. Mark the points by dragging a window across them. Click one of them and move the points to the desired position. To exit, press the Escape button. Proceed the same way for other fields. You can define how an object is detected in the evaluation configuration. There are 2 algorithms available. The object and field detection, whereby an entering object activates the field, or the reference region monitoring, which monitors a scan outline and activates the field when detecting a gap. Let's choose object and field detection here. Now just set the object size and the count of scans needed to reliably evaluate the object. Increasing either of these settings help to avoid disturbances such as dust or extremely small parts. Now you can define up to 4 inputs and outputs in the electrical function menu. You can select input or output as your digital channel. Switch to logical function to link the fields to the outputs. Up to 4 fields or inputs can be logically linked to an output in up to 3 logic levels. With this, it's possible to switch fields on the fly. By clicking Test, you can simulate your logical links to ensure that you have it just right. Finally, transmit the settings by clicking the button Store to Device. So, let's test the settings by bringing a palette into the field. As you can easily see, the R2000 detects the palette directly, also in the live view. If you want to make changes, just switch to the appropriate menu. Change the parameters and store the changes to the device. The changes are available in the R2000 immediately. And that's all. As you see, you can parameterize the R2000 detection quickly and easily. In case of any question, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.